What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I'm ready to drop a new video, and this goes in line with the recent kind of boat projects I've been working on. So finally, the elements have come together, and we're finally going to get to do the exterior hull on this small boat. On screen, I'm going to show some of the things you guys are going to need for this. Super simple. As you guys know, I'm not a professional sport animal. I'm just doing this basically flying by the seat of my pants. So we're going to be sanding it, and then we're going to be finishing it. And according to the paint I'm going to show you guys, we don't need a primer, although I'd probably recommend it, being that this is going to be in the water. But we're going to see how it comes out, you know, with the first coat without a primer, and we'll go from there. That being said, let's get to sanding. We're going to start with using 80 grit by hand and get kind of the crevices. And then if I need, I've got an angle grinder, which is probably a lot, and then just kind of like a buffing type sander. We'll see how this goes. Satisfying this is. I'm gonna peel this right off. Ready? Oh, ASMR, baby. There it is. What you think about that? All right, time has come for paint. After about 2.5 hours of sanding, she's ready. Let's get into it. All right, so for the time being, the boat's painted. I got the first coat done. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go behind and get any kind of spots that require a bit more attention, but otherwise, let's check this out.